Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, it seems like we are getting a pullback, and it seems like we are entering the support zone for wave 4 that I added yesterday to the chart. So shouldn't have been a surprise that we get a bit of a pullback there. Question is this really the top in a third wave, and are we now in a fourth wave pullback? Maybe. Could also be a smaller degree wave 4. I'm watching for higher prices at the moment as long as we're holding this support region. So this is simply a support area. As I said, I added it yesterday to the chart to see if the pullback is corrective. Does the market respect these Fibonacci levels at all? And it is an ABC structure at the moment, this pullback. And I'll highlight that in orange as well. Yeah, 1 second. Let me make that orange a bit brighter here. Yeah, it looks a bit yellow now. Okay, so in the orange scenario, the move up here was wave 1, the top on the 9th of September. Wave 2 pullback here on the 18th of September. And we could indeed have formed a third wave. That might also just be the A wave of the third wave, okay? So just be aware of that. The pullback standard Fibonacci support is between 136 to 145. And yeah, we might see a reaction here and then another push maybe to the trend line. We have to take it level by level. This structure is really incredibly messy. We haven't really formed a series of higher highs yet, so there's no real confirmation that a substantial low has formed. We would, so I see it as quite probable that the market will get to $179.70. But we would first need to break this cluster of resistances between $154 and then the trend line around 160. So this is a resistance area to get above, and the price might use the current pullback to get the energy, okay, and to form the energy for the next move up in wave 5. But this wave 5 would need to be very extended, which is why I said, okay, maybe this is not yet the top of a third. Maybe the third will be up here. And this is only like the A wave. We're now doing a B wave and rally then in wave C of 3 or something. So, but that's, you know, that's not so important in the short term. First of all, we have some Fibonacci levels to watch. At the moment, the local trend is down. And I think it's clear that I'm still watching for higher prices. But in the very short term now, obviously, we have a pullback. And, you know, this is, don't get me wrong, you know, this is the price got rejected below resistance. So there is not really a great high quality setup for higher prices, but it's a reasonable, you know, area to watch for support. And next support could be at 141.93, then $139 and 136. Below 136, it becomes more probable that something different is going on here. Yeah, and would require a reinterpretation of the wave count. If we look at the microstructures within this orange wave 4, see, we can take the A wave length, we go to the top of the B wave, and the 100% extension points to 142. I'm gonna add the standard targets for a C wave. They would be normally in this region. So between 142.50 and 139.70, standard Fib target area. And from here, the market might, yeah, try a turnaround. So that's an area of interest, you know, an additional area to watch. But let's see, market is currently moving down, and it takes a reaction to that support area, well, at least before breaking below $136 to indicate that wave 5 to the upside is unfolding. Oh, whether that's wave C of 3 is not so important right now. We have to be very adaptable because this structure is a big mess, because the initial rally was also just a 3-wave move. So this is all just corrective. So it doesn't really give me a lot of confidence. It doesn't give me a lot of confidence that, for example, the yellow count is playing out. So for me at the moment, it's more like, okay, one more higher and then maybe down, or we'll have to see how it develops. Take it level by level at the moment until we get, until the chart proves something more bullish is going on. So that's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.